Have you ever wondered what will happen when there'll be no more petroleum in the world? Have you ever thought why petroleum prices are ever increasing? Can you imagine a world without this source of energy? The fact is that we have come to a point in our evolution where there is a dire need for sustainable and renewable energy. There is a dire need for ways to harness other sources of energy available to us. The world needs ideas to shape this reality. A source that fulfills the needs of the present without compromising the needs of the future generation is commonly known as sustainable energy. Green energy is a source of energy that is renewable and sustainable. Creating technology to harness sustainable energy to its full potential does not need unending research. Rather, it needs simple ideas that will take mankind to the next level of self-reliance. Ideas that have no boundaries. Ideas that come out of curious minds and realizing exactly this need. The World GreenMech Competition aspires to bring out the curiosity, imagination and teamwork within students. The aim of the competition, other than innovation, is to develop a generation that will be sensitive and aware of the importance of protecting the world that we all live in. We want the future generations to become a highly intelligent race, creative and imaginative, able to apply everything they learn, sensitive to their environment, fostering peace and worldwide cooperation. Welcome to the GreenMech Competition ground. The World GreenMech Competition is inspiring students all across the world to develop their ideas into technology. The competition promotes intelligence, creativity and imagination amongst students. GreenMech is a contest which attempts to bridge the gap between the academic knowledge and real-life understanding and application. The GreenMech activity encourages students to apply what they learned from their school settings onto their designs that are sustainable, consistent, fun and robust. Every year in July, Taiwan is abuzz with activity as teams from all across the world gear up to participate in GreenMech. The competition floor is packed with participants from various primary schools, middle schools, high schools and vocational schools. The teams design contraptions made of obstacle courses which integrate scientific principles with green energy to achieve a specific objective. Competing designs are required to integrate scientific principles, green energy, obstacle creativity and functional consistency and robustness of moving parts. Green energy sources such as hydroelectricity, solar energy, wind energy, wave power, geothermal energy and magnetic force have the ability to generate potential energy which can transform into kinetic energy or other forms of energy. The models are designed using the concepts of conversion and transfer of energy. The participants utilize scientific concepts ranging from simple ideas like wheel, pulley and levers etc. to advanced motion transmission and energy transformation principles to create their designs that use green energy to function. Various linked moving parts of the integrate contraptions trigger one another. For example, one part that travels from point A to point B triggers another moving part from point C to D and so on till the end objective is achieved. While making these intensive contraptions, the teams take advantage of the material provided by GIGO, which has been designed to help students make complicated designs very easy. These materials are perhaps the simplest and most intuitive building blocks in the world. These building blocks allow you to make endless possibilities to design nearly anything that one can think of, structures or mechanisms or contraptions. These components have been designed specially to ease the process of creativity and putting ideas into working models. The competition is a one-day event hosted at the city of Kaohsiung, where student teams plan and build their designs. This one-day activity consists of implementation of unique thoughts, creative obstacle design, overall model design, building techniques, use of building blocks and also certain cultural features. The whole model is planned and built in a group setting where all teams must complete their creations within a specified time and are judged by the experts on the same day. To ensure all fairness, professionals are invited from academia, universities and industry to judge the participating teams. The 2012 GreenMAC Taiwan National Competition held the national qualifying contest in the north, central and southern regions of Taiwan. Top performers from different schools moved on to the final international round held at Kaohsiung. In addition to Taiwan's contestants, students from China, Hong Kong, South Korea, Thailand also joined to compete in this inspiring competition. The international competition witnessed a total participation of 269 teams from 5 different countries. Winner teams from all levels take away exciting prizes along with the enjoyable experience. Their hard work and talent is well rewarded. GreenMAC provides a unique stage that helps students utilize scientific knowledge and intelligence. It has gained a lot of social attention in the recent years. The concept has spread like a wildfire. Started in 2008 with participation from 50 teams. GreenMAC 2013 is expected to witness a participation of over 400 teams from 11 countries. Delegates from prestigious institutions across the globe signed a resolution to promote the idea of GreenMAC competition and through it, the message of green energy. It is assuring to see and to know that the simple message of sustainable energy is spreading through the world. And as more and more children realize that and learn to have a modern perspective on development and usage of energy, it will only translate into a brighter future for the coming generations. Most people share a childhood memory of playing with building blocks. Through parts and moving mechanisms, one can build endless creative models and bring to life their thoughts and ideas. The process of making something out of nothing is a wonderful experience. The GreenMAC competition ground provides a new, more challenging and creative way of playing this game. It is a contest that promotes and tests students' intelligence, creativity and imagination. Helps to inspire one's mind on building design skills and giving a delightful hands-on experience. Academic teachings usually focus on surface knowledge and understanding. However, GreenMAC activity encourages students to apply what they learn in their classrooms onto their designs. Through model design, one can actually see and understand physics principles such as simple machines to complex industrial mechanisms, function design characteristics and interaction between different objects. Thus, the contest creates an ideal environment for stimulating application of scientific knowledge and sustainable green energy. Creative thinking, shaping designs using building blocks. Self-confidence by the way of DIY, that is, do it yourself. Team planning and dynamics. Practical solutions to practical problems. GIGO, in association with the National Taiwan Normal University and Juridical Association Taiwan Creativity Development, helps organize GreenMAC and is supervised by the respectable National Taiwan Science Education Center, National Museum of Natural Science and National Science and Technology Museum. So, are you ready to be a part of GreenMAC 2013 experience? Visit www.gogreenmac.org today.